On questions 1 and 2, the Read a Text Aloud item type, responses are evaluated on pronunciation and intonation and stress used to read the text aloud. For the highest scores, it is important for pronunciation to be highly intelligible and for intonation and stress to be appropriate to the text. Highly intelligible pronunciation and appropriate intonation and stress are important on all item types, but the next items on the test also take into account other factors. On question 3, the Describe a Picture item type, test takers have to generate their own language to describe the main features of the picture. So, in addition to intelligible pronunciation and intonation and stress, the choice of vocabulary and the use of structures must allow coherent expression of ideas in the description of the main features of the picture. In questions 4 to 6, the Respond to Questions item type, it is important not only to have highly intelligible delivery, which means pacing, intonation and stress, and pronunciation, as well as appropriate choice of vocabulary and coherent use of structures, but also to provide relevant, complete, and socially appropriate answers to the specific questions that are asked. Scores for questions 7 through 9, the Respond to Questions Using Information Provided item type, in addition to all of the criteria for questions 4 to 6, also depend on whether the information from the printed stimulus accurately answers the question that was asked. For the highest score on question 10, the Propose a Solution item type, responses must demonstrate a clear understanding of the situation in the audio stimulus and provide a relevant, detailed response to that specific situation. They must also be readily intelligible, coherent, and sustained. For the highest score on question 11, the Express an Opinion item type, responses must clearly indicate the speaker's choice or opinion in a relevant response to the specific question that was asked, and provide support for the choice or opinion using reasons, details, arguments, or examples, and demonstrate clear relationships between ideas. They must also be readily intelligible, coherent, and sustained.